Hi there. In this video class, I'm going to tell you one of the top secrets to improve your communication skills. I'm talking about for the person who already speaks English. I get lots of inquiries around an experienced person around 8+ years, 10+ years. They keep saying me that I'm not able to communicate well with my seniors or with my subordinates. I'm not even able to express my ideas. What could be the reason? It's very simple. You are not open enough to speak, or you are lacking with the skill of delivering the speech what you want to say it. You need to have lots and lots of practice. I'm going to tell you a very simple tips which each one can follow. Even the beginners can also do this. So when you start talking, what is your expectation from the audience? You loved to be heard, am I right? So when you want people to hear you, you have to speak in such a way that people hear you. So how do we do this? You cannot do anything extra here. Very simple. Use the gift what God has given you. I mean to say, your voice. And try to add emotions or expressions when you start talking. Today, people are looking out who can help them, who can take care of their problems, or who can give some solutions. When you start talking to them in a caring way, or when your message touches them, they honestly get connected to you. How do we practice this? You need not go here and there to hook out how to practice. Very simple. Write down your own story. I mean to say, your struggle, your failure, and your success. People love to listen. When I did a little research, I found that people are eager to read or to know about others' success. We always know one side of the success, but behind that we have lots of pains, hurt, and we have strived hard to reach our goal. Say that. So your mess should be a message to someone. When you start talking about your pain, or when you start talking about your struggle, the audience really get connected, because the way you speak, it reminds them about their past. The way you speak, it touches their lives. The way you speak, it really pulls down their tears from their eyes, because it's all the way you have told them. You can express only your stories in a better form. No one can tell your story better than you. If I have struggled hard, if I have undergone some pain, the pain is more. I can only say it pained me a lot. He or she hurted me a lot. But the feeling what I had at that particular moment, the way I struggled, the way I shed my tears, that is what we are going to share in the front of the audience. In each one's life, we have a message. Your story should be said in such a way that it has to have a great impact, or it has to bring an impact in others' life. They get resonated with you. It has to be related. So it's all about your story. If it's very difficult to tell your story, I cannot tell your story, nor you can tell my story. So when my finger is hurt, it's only I can feel that pain. I can only say you that it's paining. You can only listen to me, it's paining. But the way I'm going to express my pain, I know it. It's paining internally. The pain what you have undergone, express that in your voice when you get opportunity to speak. Don't miss the boat. Today, most of them are struggling very hard, even for your daily bread. All the successful people have undergone lots of failures, and we are also one among them. Just close your eyes for a minute. Think about your life. I'm sure most of them are not born with silver spoons. We have undergone lots and lots of pains, lots and lots of struggles. We have come across lots of people who have hurt us in different ways. That should be a message to someone. How have you faced it? The pain, what you undergone it, that has to be shown or told to the people. That is how people get connected. No matter whether it's one audience or 10,000 audience, immetal to it. When you start sharing your own stories, you start speaking much better. Try this today. Last but not the least, the more you start telling your stories, your pain, your communication becomes more easier to speak. Never ever think about people's opinion. People are here to talk some critics, to pass some critics. That's not your problem. When your speech is transforming others' life, when you think people have changed through you, that is the biggest happiness you can get in your life. The biggest gift is making someone's happy. Making happy is not that easy. So say or practice in such a way that you can get connected with people very soon. Try doing this. So what are you waiting for? Just take a book, write on your own stories, and try to use it in your own language. It doesn't mean you have to say it in English. First, try to be a good speaker. Try to be a good communicator, irrelevant of whether you know English or not. At least try to speak in your own language. Are you expressive in your own language? If you're expressive in your language, obviously you can do better in English. Today, most of the experienced person, 10 plus years of experienced person, they are finding difficult to share their knowledge and ideas. They find difficult to share about their struggles, but they are very good listeners of others' struggle. But when they come back, they say, even I have struggled more than this, but they are not able to share. Could be they have some kind of a thought, what would others say? Nobody is going to say anything. Here we have a disease called what others will think, what someone will say. There's no one to say anything. All are busy in their own world. So from today onwards, if you want to improve your communication skills, I'm talking about the person who's already speaking, not about the beginners. Beginners can also try. If you want to improve your communication skill, jot down your points, your own story, and start talking, expressing. Record your voice and start loving yourself. One day, you can also be a very good speaker. And this is what I have been doing. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.